Hi, I'm Jana Alyssa Maripitan and this is my output for reading in Philippine history. So I'm here today with my sister Johanna Angela Maripitan. So ang activity namin is kailangan namin magpakita ng mga antique na gamit. So Miss Johanna, what antique po yung nakikita natin sa bahay natin araw-araw?
Yung isa sa mga antique na nakita namin sa bahay namin is itong chair namin sa bahay. It is made by woods and mahogany wood po yung ginamit dito, and it is almost 20 years dito sa bahay po namin.
So yes, that is actually a fact. So hindi lang po yung chairs namin. So we also have the side table and the center table. So it comes as a set po. So it's all made of wood and it's also almost 20 years na po sa pamilya namin. So that's it. So let's move po sa next na antique na makikita sa bahay namin. Okay, so now we're back with our next antique item. So Miss Johanna, can you showcase yung next item natin?
So we have this birth certificate of our father. It's almost, ilang taon na si Papa?
So our father is turning 48 next year. So it's almost 48 years.
Galing siya sa Davao City sa San Pedro Parish Church. So pinadala lang to dito sa amin, sa bahay namin, kasi siyempre tinitreasure to ng aking father and ng aking lolo and also yung aking namayapa na lola. So, ayan po.
So, the story behind kung bakit to nauwi ng papa namin is first, recently, umuwi siya ng province namin. So, sabi ng lolo namin is iuwi niya to since it's his identification. So, makikita yung name niya, yung parents, especially yung date of birth. And nakalagay din dito kung kailan siya binaptize. So, it is actually a great antique considering that it is almost 50 years na. So, now let's move to our next item. So, Miss Johanna, what are these items?
So, this next item is one of the awards of my father because he is a player of basketball in the province. So, MVP December 4 since 1999. So, maybe high school pa po siya nito. Pero marami pong ganito yung yung father namin, pero nandun pa sa province. So, ito, inuwi niya lang yung dalawa. Wala. For aesthetic purposes sa bahay. Ganun. So, next is itong ito na yung nag-work yung father namin. Yan. So, ito ay galing naman sa Kelly Hardware. Nung Basketball Cup, first runner-up, sponsored by Neltex Devco Incorporation. So, ito is, I think, maybe 15 years ago when my father received his MVP award. So, yeah. Our father also one of the varsity player of what school is that in Dasma?
TUP Cavite.
Yeah, TUP Cavite. So, yeah.
So, this trophy is 15 years and this one is 24 years na po siya. So, this antiques is staying at our house. So, we can see it every day. You know, kahit na naka-display lang siya, tas parang wala naman siyang ambag sa everyday life namin. It's still a great memory na matagal na tong mga memorabilia na to, itong mga antiques na to, and it provides identity, especially sa father namin. Katulad nitong trophies na to, tsaka yung certificate niya kasi it gives identity since he was young and throughout his adulthood. And ito namang mga upuan na to is, it also gives us identity kasi kinalakihan na namin yan. Diba?
Yes.
Yan. So, that's it and thank you for watching.
Thank you.